Morning, my junior buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping good in this cold winter season. I, Zarna Patel, welcome you all in today's English class. Now, my children have already learnt alphabet A to Z, right? Can anybody tell me why have we learned so many alphabets and its sound? Can anybody tell me कि हमने ये सारे अल्फ़ाबेट और उसके साउंड क्यों सीखे हैं? तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक समथिंग स्पेशल फ्रॉम all this alphabet using their sound. So let us start, children. Children, today in our class we have someone special. So कौन है वो स्पेशल? Yes, we have alphabet A. And who else is this? This is alphabet N. और ये लोग अकेले नहीं आए हैं, इनके साथ कोई और भी आया है. चलो देखते हैं कौन आया है हमारे क्लास में इनके साथ. We also have alphabet T and alphabet O. So we will make something special from this alphabet. So are you all excited, children, to learn something new? Yes, very good. In our class, we have alphabet A and alphabet T, है ना? लेकिन बच्चों अब हमें यह अल्फ़ाबेट को इनके साउंड से बुलाना है. ओके, सो दिस इज ए एंड दिस इज ट, राइट? तो देखो यहाँ पर ए अकेला बैठा है और ये साइड ट भी अकेला बैठा है. सो नाउ शुड आई टेल देम to come and sit next to each other? Yes. So now A and T are sitting next to each other. Now let us read. What do we get? It is A, T, at. So what have we made? We have made a two-letter word, and that is A, T, at. Which two-letter word we have made? We have made a, t, at. Right? Very good, children. Now we will read two-letter words from our workbook page. A, t, at. A, t, at. A, t, at. A N N. A N N. A M M. A M M. A M M. A S S. A S S. I N in. I N in. E for if. E for if. I F if. E s is. E s is. I S is. E t it. E t it. I t it. O n on. O n on. A p up. A p up. U p up. A s us. A s us. U S us. O for off. O for off. O F off. तो बच्चों इसी तरह से आपको टू लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। सो अब हम क्या करेंगे? नाउ वी विल राइट दिस टू लेटर वर्ड्स इन आवर वर्कबुक। Hope children, you all are clear with the concept of blending alphabet sound to make two-letter words. Children, please open English classwork book, page 88 and write today's date. Today's date is 30th December 2020. Two-letter words. The first word is at. So let us trace it. First we will trace A, and that is written in two blue lines. C curve, go up and come down straight. And T, start from little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, make a curve and go little bit up like this. And a sleeping line on the first blue line. At. At. Let us write over here. At. Let us write once again. We will write A. So first we will make a C curve. Go up, come down straight. At. Start little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, make a curve and sleeping line on the first blue line. At. At. A and an. Let us trace it. C curve, go up, come down straight. Standing line, go reverse back up, make a curve, come down straight. N. A and N. C curve, go up, come down straight. And standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. A and N. A and N. M. Let us trace it. C curve, go up, come down straight. A. M, standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, go up, make a curve, come down straight. M. Let us write over here. A. M. C curve, go up, come down straight. A. M, standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Once again go up, make a curve, come down straight. M. इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको बोल के लिखना है. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज as. So let us write. C curve, go up, come down straight, and we will write S like this. As. Let us write over here. C curve, go up, come down straight. Okay. And S, we will make a curve and reverse C curve like this. As. C curve, go up, come down. S. C curve and reverse C curve. S. इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको दोनों अल्फाबेट पास में लिखने हैं, बीच में जगह नहीं छोड़नी है. This is how you have to write the whole page of two-letter words. Children, please write two-letter words in your English homework book, page 52. I hope children, through this session, you have understood the concept of two-letter words and you have also learned how to read them, right? So keep practicing. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, bye my lovely ones. Take good care of yourself and keep smiling.